Hey, what's up guys? Thank you for watching another of my videos. What I bring you today is a product review. What I purchased is leather honey. I actually purchased both the products, the leather cleaner and leather conditioner. I got it right here. This little bottle is $18 and this one, it was $18. I purchased both through Amazon. This is the leather conditioner. This is the leather cleaner. Leather cleaner, you actually have to mix it up with water. 1 ounce and 8 ounces of water, so it gives you a lot. You can actually use this with vinyl, plastic, rubber, except with suede. Well, you know, the leather that looks like it has little hairs in the outside. You cannot use that. And this is the leather conditioner. This one is oily, kind of waxy. And what I'm gonna tell you is my experience cleaning my leather jacket. I tested it there. What it says is to use it in little places and spots that are not visible, so you can see if it is gonna work the way you want it. I used the leather cleaner in a little corner that was not visible to the eye, and I used the leather conditioner there. Why? Because it said you can change the color of the leather or have other results. But in my jacket, I feel, let me go get it. In my jacket, it worked very normal, what I was expecting. Okay, how's the light? Okay, good lighting. So this is the side that I used the leather cleaner and the leather conditioner. This is the side that I didn't. I don't think you're really gonna be able to see much. Well, I dropped it. So this is the side that I actually used the leather cleaner. This and the conditioner here, and in this one I haven't. I don't know if you can see it. To me it looks the same, but you see there the cracks are a little more visible in the side that I didn't use the conditioner and the cleaner. Look, yeah, there. I do think it made a small difference, maybe because the jacket is not in bad state because I take care of it. But what I can see is that here the cracks are more visible and more vivid. Here they're smaller, and when you touch it, it looks a little shinier than here, not by much. This side feels a little waxy. You know, when you first give that wax to your car, like that, it feels, it has a little bit of the feeling to it, like waxy, smooth, and you still feel it in your hands. That's what I learned. It didn't change the color. It worked fine on mine. It feels like you put that cream in your face when you put like the lotion. Yeah, when you put lotion in your skin, that kind of feeling that you feel it has a layer or something on top, and it feels very smooth. So that's the first try that I give this. I gotta test it on my car seats and everything else, but in my jacket it worked fine. It looks normal, nothing too crazy, nice shiny, nothing like, oh man, look, it's brand new. No, but it looks normal to what I think it should be. Just like I said, the cracks on the leather here are more visible, a little more vivid, even though here they are too, and I use that conditioner, the cleaner. Just here it has a little bit of shine here, a little bit of darker shine, but that's maybe because the conditioner is still there. So I'm gonna test it out on other things. Product so far, it has worked for me, in my opinion. It doesn't make miracles because it's not gonna look like brand new, but it helps. The moisturizer, sorry guys. What the conditioner does is pretty much, it does moisturize your leather so it doesn't get dry, it doesn't crack. So I wouldn't expect it to make it look fabulously like shiny and stuff like that, but it does what it is supposed to do. Just refill the leather with something's gonna keep it not dry. It's gonna keep it a little bit more flexible, and that's what you need. So to me it worked. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Subscribe. I'm gonna post the link down there so you can actually look for the product. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good one. Peace.